It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day and enjoying your summer. So today, guys, I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus in, and we're going to unbox this today. If you are not familiar with the IPSY Glam Bag subscription, this is a $28 a month subscription. You get 5 full-size products inside. They can be beauty and makeup or tools, whatever they decide to send you. But basically, that's what you're getting. So you get your 5 full-size products. We're going to get into our bag here. This is my bag for July 2022. And I'm taking you guys along for the ride so you can check out what I got in my bag. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by to check out my channel. If you enjoy different subscription boxes, unboxings, and luxury hauls, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. Without further delay, guys, let's get into this bag. So guys, this is how it comes to you in the mailer. Let me see how all my stuff looks. It's probably all over the place, so let's get rid of that. So guys, my bag for this month is this pretty little yellow bag here with, like, I guess little wave patterns or something in it, with a white little background in there, and I think that's cute. These bags come in handy for stuff. Great for giving people gifts too, if you have something small enough to fit in here. But let's see what we got in this bag. So guys, we did get a little card in here, and it says soak it all in. So I'm assuming that is the theme of the month: the sun, the shimmer, the SPF. This month, savor every moment, whether it's an impromptu pool dip or a self-care spa day, and leave those to-dos till tomorrow. So that's what it says here. Then it's giving a little bit of information on the back about Glam Bag X, which is coming, I believe, next month. And I know Alicia Keys is the curator for that one because they already sent it to me. So just keeping you informed. And then it's just like a little friendly tips about what to do with your SPF for the summer. So that's that. Let's move on to our products, right? So the first product I have the Derma Select, and I'm familiar with this brand. I actually use one of their other serums, but this is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. And this serum, it targets signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, and uneven skin tone. And it helps to promote cell turnover and improves the look of your congested and UV damaged skin. So I really enjoy the product that I have from them. Is it the same one? It may be the same one. It is. Yeah, this is the one I've already been using. This bottle probably has lasted me about, it's been a couple of months actually. I've been working out of the same bottle probably for almost the last 5 to 6 months. You just use a few drops of this. And it does take a minute. If you're not familiar with using retinol, there is a bit of introduction period that may not be so graceful. But for me, I work at home, so when that was going on, nobody saw it. But you may have a little dryness and flaking because of the retinol when you first start it. But once your skin gets used to it, that kind of goes away and you have like better looking skin. But this is one of my favorite products. I use this almost every night. So I'm using this at least about 4 to 5 times a week on my skin, and my skin is used to it. But I really enjoy this product. So if you have not tried it, check it out. But I really love this one. So this is great. This is a nice replacement because I'm just finishing up my one that I have now. I think I have like 2 or 3 drops left in the bottle. So that worked out perfectly. Great. And we're going to go on to our second product here. The next thing I have, this says Kiss Kiss My. This is a Rowan product. This is a liquid lip balm. And I have the color Scalp. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I just took my product out. This is a beautiful color. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? This is so nice and perfect for the summer. I love the vibrantness of this color. It's like a mauve looking color, a mauve kind of pink with some kind of purple undertones. So let me just do a quick swatch so you guys can really see what it looks like. Yeah, this is nice. And it looks like it'll kind of go on a little bit clear. I'm trying to make it a little bit thicker so you guys can see. But that's what it looks like on my hand. But I know this will work really good. So it's not like a heavy pigmented color, but it'll go great like on a natural lip, or if you're topping off your lipstick and want to give it a little color. I think this would be great. This looks really nice. I like that. So let's check out our next product. So that's our first beauty product out of our box here. Let's see what else we got, right? So, I have a Jecca Black, and I have a hydrating primer from her. So I know we did get the Jecca Black Play Pots. I know we got those. So this is a primer. So this is probably my second product by this brand for me to try out. So this one here is a hydrating primer. It instantly moisturizes and refreshes the skin and helps makeup to be long lasting. It says apply all over the face. Use your fingertips before putting your makeup on. So I think that's great. And on the back here it says be fearless, you look fabulous. I love that. So let me pop it out the box so you can see what we have here, guys. And we only have a 0.67 fluid ounce product, so it's a small one. But you know, your primers, unless you're using makeup every single day, they kind of do last you a little bit. So I can't wait to try this out. I haven't tried this primer from her brand before, so this will be great to try out. So that's great. And our next product is, we have an About Face product. I have a lip lock. Light Lock. I'm doing it backwards, right? Light Lock lip gloss by About Face. And what color did I get? What's the color? Peyton. Peyton is the color that I have. So I have received one of these Light Lock lip glosses, and I really did enjoy it. But I don't think I got this color. I think I got a different color. So let me get in here. They have it all taped up. There we go. Maybe. Let's see. Alright, so this is the color we have for our Light Lock lip gloss by About Face. And this one is a 0.14 fluid ounce is the size, and the color is Peyton. And let's see what this looks like. I'm going to put it next to the other lip gloss. I got two lip glosses this month. And ooh, that one's very pigmented. So this is what the Light Lock color looks like on my skin. I think this looks great. This would be fabulous. And that definitely pops. Definitely love that. Can't wait to use this one. That is nice. So we are down, guys, to my final product, and that is the Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier. They could not have given this to me at a more perfect time, because the summertime, I am the oily person, the oily skin, everything's breaking up, acne kind of popping out of nowhere. So this is perfect for me, and it does have an SPF of 45, which I think is awesome. It says on the back, this is an oil-free, lightweight SPF moisturizer. It instantly minimizes the appearance of pores by 54% and delivers delivers 10 hours of oil, shine, and pore control. Wow, 10 hours. I did not know that. That's awesome. So this is another one. I think I've used this in the past, but kind of ran out of it. So this is right on time for me for the summer. So guys, in review, let's hit what we got. We have, let's see, two skincare products, which is the Murad and the Dermalect retinol serum here. And we have three makeup products. We have the Jecca Black Hydrate Primer. We have the Rowan lip gloss. And we have the About Face lip gloss, the Light Lock and Peyton. So this is our box for the month. Not bad. I think this kind of is a good blend for me. I love lip glosses. I like everything to be a little bit lighter in the summertime. Not so much makeup, especially with the heat that's going through this week. Definitely want a lighter look. But guys, let me know what you thought about my box. What was your favorite product out of here, and have you used anything that I have here before and had any good results with them? Hit me up in the comments below. But guys, until next time, Stay blessed. Have an awesome summer. And I will see you next video. Bye.